Hey friends, video shuru kocha poili. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. For further updates, don't forget to press the bell icon. Just going to play a rapid fire of 5 questions.
Done.
Are you ready for it?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay.
If somebody is firing rapid fires at me, a new experience.
What are your interests?
I like to read, I like to watch movies, I like to watch sports.
Okay. काल रात्री किती खायलेलं तुला सर?
Kal rati, omelette.
Okay, so which is your favorite dish?
Which is my favorite dish? I like chicken shakuti.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Chicken shakuti
With katrache pav.
Katrache pav. Traditional. Alright. Which party do you support?
I don't support any party. I go by election to election. Yeah.
So are you a neutral?
No, I cannot be. I'm a voter. I cannot be neutral. I vote somebody, no? So if I vote somebody, that means I favor somebody. But then that doesn't affect my job. But I vote करताना मी प्रत्येक खेपेक पळयता कोण खंय आहा तो ते पोवचे पडटा.
Which is a favorite international channel, like news channel, for example?
Favorite international news channel? CNN.
If you had one wish for now that तुका आपण हा किती करपाक जाय तू किती wish करतलो? What would be your wish?
Wish in terms of what? Professional or personal? Professional? Professional. I want to report from space sometime. Yeah.
Okay. And sports, entertainment, comedy, which is your
Sports.
like
Sports. Sports and movies.
Sports and movies. Which is the last movie that you watched?
Which is the last movie I watched? I watched Lakshmi Bomb. Yeah.
Okay. Are you into entertainment?
Yeah.
You like entertainment?
I love entertainment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you believe that did you watch any particular theatre last any theatre?
Yes, I didn't watch, but I watched lot of stuff on Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Hotstar.
Will you ever choose to be a politician?
You never know. One thing I have learned in this job: never say never. So politics, it always fascinates me. एक दोन गजाली खातीर, कारण I frankly feel it is one of the most difficult jobs. कारण ज्या तरेन आमचे पॉलिटिशियन्स काम करतात मुज्यान तरी जावचें ना. They start at 7 AM, they go on till 12 AM. So midnight, 7 to midnight. लोकांक मेळप, लोकां बरोबर रावप, लोकां बरोबर काम करप दीसभर. That energy is amazing. And those who cannot cope up, they become one-term MLAs or one-term MP.
If you get an opportunity to become like contest for elections, what would you do? Yes or no?
Depends on the situation. See, never say never. That I'm very 100% telling you, never say never. But right now, no. Right now, no, current. I still love journalism. To do that, I'll have to stop loving journalism.
Okay, you believe in inventing more things, like new things.
Yeah.
So how do you motivate yourself?
It's the same thing. The job itself is like that. Okay, let me tell you this week. On Monday, I came to the office and I didn't know what I'm doing. I had to plan my show. And I was everyday shoot करता. So, show plan केलो, but by afternoon मग कळ्ळें की Raghav Chadda is coming for the debate. So they wanted me to host a debate. I have not said this publicly before. So I contacted Nilesh. Raghav Chadda was ready, and Nilesh was not ready. Okay, so next day Raghav Chadda आयलो. So I had to do something again. There is no debate. So Raghav Chadda said, "I am coming to your studio." So I shot with Raghav Chadda. They hidden shoot केलं, and it went viral. Okay, ते सोपलें. I got a call from somebody within BJP that why don't you do with Nilesh also? So I said fine. So काल आम्ही निलेशा बरोबर shoot केलं, head on. So then that's the job, no? So every day, even you don't think sometimes what you will be doing, and it's great. I was supposed to do a debate. When I started this week, I ended up doing 2 different interviews.
Okay, that's something new. Alright, are you into singing? Do you like singing? Do you like singing?
I like to hear somebody sing. I don't
tried
like
singing?
it. I haven't tried singing. I will never try singing.
Okay. Are you bad at singing?
I am very bad at singing.
Your message for the viewers who are watching you
The
today.
message is very, very simple. की हांव एक गजाल पळयता की suddenly somebody, everybody has become toxic. There's too much negativity. आणि एक negativity म्हणताना ती sometimes it is a founded negativity, sometimes this is unfounded negativity. म्हणजे एकच रिक्वेस्ट आसा सगळ्यां कडेन की when I started journalism अशें नाशिल्लें. आमी इशू पळयताले, आमी इशू सेपरेट दवरताले आनी आमची पर्सनल रिलेशनशीप सेपरेट दवरताले. That even if I don't agree with somebody ideologically, I used to argue with that person on ideology. But it never came in between our friendship. It never became personal. आज हांव पळयतां, it is becoming personal. So even if I have to attack somebody's point of view on Facebook, I attack him as a person and his point of view. And every day increasingly it is growing, which is not bad for anybody. Anybody. I think that should stop. We should be able to separate our opinions from our relations. Because opinion आज असा, I can change my opinion tomorrow. Because maybe फाल्यां म्हाका अशी कांय फॅक्ट्स कळटले की काल जे म्हजे ओपिनियन आसा तें आज चेंज जातलें. बट once your relationship takes a hit, can that be repaired? Can it be like before? So your opinions can change. Sometimes today you may feel that some political leader is great, and 5 years down the line you realize that he's a disaster. पण त्या पॉलिटिशियना लागून जर तुवें कोणा कडेन जर पर्सनली झगडी केली आनी पर्सनल दुस्मानकाय केली किंवा पर्सनल फ्रेंडशीप तोडली, तुका कळटलें 5 वर्सांनी तो डिजास्टर म्हण. तुजी फ्रेंडशीप परत मेळटली, तुका तुजी रिलेशनशीप परत मेळटली. सो इन्क्रिजिंगली एज अ सोसायटी वी आर बिकमिंग व्हेरी व्हेरी इंटॉलरंट, आनी आय थिंक दॅट्स अ बीग प्रॉब्लम. आनी ते जाता कारण दॅट सेपरेशन इज गेटिंग ब्लर्ड. दॅट I can agree to disagree with you. I think that is a basic fact we are forgetting. It's the same incident of Raghav Chadda and Nilesh Kabra. I Raghav Chadda's interview karta and there is hundreds of comments on Facebook that why are you interviewing him? Why are you giving him space? Who is he? Who is he from Delhi to come and talk? I Nilesha बरोबर काल interview करता. Hundreds of comments asking me, "Oh, काल खंय आशिल्लो? आज तू कित्याक chance दिता ताका उलोवपाक?" So we are increasingly becoming, we are not listening to what Raghav Chadda is saying and whether what he is saying is right or wrong. Or Nilesh taka kaso counter करता. Nileshaचे argument sensible असतात काय ना. The first attack now that comes is, why are you talking to that man? Why are you even allowing him to speak? Why are you giving him chance to talk? I think that's the problem. And that's everywhere. It's not on this side or that side or right or left or center, nothing. It is everywhere. If Raghav Chadda is talking, he has every right to talk in this country. I have every right to interview him. You may disagree with him, criticize him. Criticize him on his opinions, criticize him on his point of views. When you ask that question, why the hell you are giving him chance? I think there is a problem. Same next day, when Nilesh is expressing his opinions about it, maybe debate or the points raised by Raghav, वो काल खंय आशिल्लो, आज कित्याक उलोवपाक तूं ताका दिनाका? I think that's a problem. Listen to him. Okay, he decided. It is his choice, no, that he did not want to participate in the debate. Okay, it is Raghav Chadda's choice that he took up that challenge and he came to Goa. And okay, fine. And then they expressed their point of views on the. So what is important? You want to see. Your idea is to see a debate, or your idea is to see the point of views of both of them and take the best out of it. कांय गजाली अशें आसतल्यो ज्यो राघव चड्डा उलयलो, which is best for Goa. कांय गजाली अशें आसतल्यो ज्यो निलेश उलयलो, which is best for Goa. So we are not on that. We are just तूं हाका कित्याक उलोवपाक येता, तूं ताका कित्याक उलोवपाक येता, तूं हाका कित्याक टायम दिता, ताका कित्याक टायम दिता. I think if you ask me for a message, I think that needs to change. Because when I entered journalism, nobody asked me, why are you asking somebody a question? Today, everybody is asking me, why are you giving him time to speak? Why are you asking this question? Why are you asking this question in this particular way? And why are you not asking this person to that person in another particular way. So rather than looking at people and their point of view separately, and you will see lot of things. Right now we sit on a dinner table. I mean, probably when I entered journalism 18, 19 years back, we never used to think whether my political views will affect my relationship.
Okay.
It was just a good talk. It was just a good argument. And you go back. And next day you're friends again. Today probably when you sit on a dinner table, you think whether my political views will hurt somebody.
Right.
Why that change has come? And probably that change is the basic reason behind all these things that we face every day. I face it every day. I go on screen every day. I go live every day. And I see the comments.
Well, that was just a rapid fire round with Pramod Acharya. To watch his full interview, full episode, keep watching Goan Music Vibrant.
Goan Music Vibrant. Tumka side, Goan Music Vibrant side. Tumka side, Goan Music Vibrant side.